guys, welcome back to Adventures with the Crofts. Today we're at the beach with a special guest.
Ooh, who's our special guest?
Grammy and Papa.
Grammy and Papa are meeting us for a beach day.
We have everything set up. We have a bench and
We brought a chair. We're near a picnic table. So we are ready for a fun beach day. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi.
No.
Ange loves this chair.
No.
We are having a super fun beach day. Grammy and Papa are here. Roman looks like he's got little T-Rex arms going on. He turned into a dinosaur.
He lets you get in. Warmer in the water. Ready to go. Kick.
Oh, he
Papa's
loves
got
swimming.
it. Move your feet. Kick.
Look at
He's a swimmer.
Roman and Angela love being held to taught to swim.
Ready?
We got Angela on my hip. She's already getting sleepy. We've been here about an hour. Whee!
I'm like, whoa.
Yay! Don't splash, Angela. Yeah, you love swimming. Are you trying to doggy paddle?
Yeah.
Yeah? Look at you go.
Look at that belly.
Hey Mom, I have a question. Can I hold the phone?
Ready? Got a
Can you
sled?
hold back? I can back.
Look at her swim.
You want to see me backflow? Oh, look at Ange swimming. Ready?
Yeah.
Take your little hands like that.
Come rub this out, Chad. See, here's my toes. I'm backflowing.
Look at that Angela go.
Oh, she loves swimming. I'm ready. You did it for a sec. Yeah, you just got to keep your arms moving. Keep yourself up.
Yep, do it. Go doggy paddle. I'll do it with you.
Grammy and Roman are doggy paddling.
Look at her.
Oh, she loves it. This is my first time able to get a video of Angela doing that.
Really? Watch this. We pull
Ready?
the shirt down.
Ready?
Here we go. Ready? Gonna go swim the mommy. Swim the mommy. Kick your feet.
Go,
Kick your feet.
Angela! So big! Oh, look at that swimmer!
Woo! Don't make you dizzy. It's like, first we gotta go around.
Woohoo! Roman.
Only close to that.
Look at that smile!
She's getting done.
She loves it. Yay!
Now get her ready.
Oh, what are you doing? You're spinning around doing tornado.
You sitting down in the water?
No. Mom, I kind of can't reach right here.
Got my glasses on.
Oh, let's get a picture of this! Say cheese! Yay! Yay, Ange!
Got me a swimmer.
Look at Grammy holding on to Lil.
Hey, you
Step up. Oh, okay, I'm gonna.
ready? Watch. You hold your hand. You do that, right? Underwater. Watch out. I'll hit you. You're gonna hit
It's like a squirt gun. Ah! Papa got us! Papa got us!
Wow,
far?
you kicking your feet? Kick them feet. Kick. He's kicking like he's walking. Look at him go.
Hey, who's swimming? Come on, swim the three of me.
at him go.
Go, Roman!
He's doing pretty good.
Yeah.
Lily and I.
Let's see. It looks clear there, though, doesn't it?
No, it's not clear.
It's
It
not
does
your
look
favorite
green
color,
when you look
green?
down.
He loves green.
He does love green.
Ready? Here she goes. Here comes Granny.
Oh, look who's coming!
He kicks his feet the other way. Feels like he's going backwards.
It's a little baby shark! Oh my goodness, look at the baby shark!
Baby shark.
Oh, we play the shark in the water game.
Baby shark.
I have an idea. Papa knows the shark.
What was that song that was big?
Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark, do 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 do.
Oh, now get it stuck in your
Baby
head.
shark.
Baby, look at one-handed.
Oh.
Roman's the shark.
Da-na-na-na.
Go get her!
She's swimming away.
Lily's one fast little fishy.
Swim, Lily, swim!
She's swimming to me.
Swim!
I've been watching all them Jaw movies. Jaws
Oh,
have
perfect.
been-
Da-na-na-na.
You know the
Look
fake
at
stuff?
Yeah, shark.
Grammy is sitting with Angela, so I can swim with Lil and Roman and Papa. It's nap time over here.
Thanks for watching Adventures with the Crofts. Make sure to like and subscribe.